I will be reacting to a few of my concepts that I've done in the past 3 years. And let's just say there's been a lot of bad ones and a lot of good ones. This is a sequel to my previous video on this channel, which is my second channel. Make sure you subscribe. But now in this video, I'm going to be properly reacting to them instead of doing a tier list. So let's see. Are any of my concepts actually good, or are they all just trash, I guess? Alright, we're on the Adurite Designs channel, and as you can see, 1.36k subscribers, which is a lot for me especially. I mean, only 33 videos, like, it's pretty much nothing. We have like 3 YouTube shorts, I mean, that doesn't really matter, but so right here we have my latest, which is 5 months ago. Ignore my upload schedule. But 1.4k views, 24k views. I'm not even sure how this video got a lot of views. I guess it's luck. I'm not sure. But I've had a lot of views in my career. Obviously, Windows 15, Windows 11.1, and of course, Windows Circle. We don't talk about Windows Circle, okay? So if I see anybody in the comments talking about Windows Circle, bad things will happen, okay? But oh look, wait, my first video has 1,000 views. So yo, I kind of forgot that. I mean, it didn't have it obviously at that time, but you know, it got that later on. 24k. Oh, Windows 13. Wait, what's my most popular concept? Wait, Windows 12 overbeat Windows 14 and Windows 13. So Windows 12 2026 is my most popular concept. Damn, I didn't know that. I've known for the longest time Windows 13 has been my most popular, and you know, this concept's not really the best. But you know, it got views. But hey, Windows 12 2026, that got a lot of views. I'm just kind of sad that this one didn't really get much views, but it's fine. But I think the first concept I'm gonna react to is, let's go with Windows 13, because this one, let's go with Windows 13 as this one was pretty popular. As you can see, 312 likes, 24,000 views, November 25, 2023. Almost 3 years since then. Wow. Alright, well, let's watch this one. I'll probably like skip around, like maybe 30 seconds around there, because I'm not trying to watch the full concept and make this video like 30 hours long, but let's watch it. Let me lower it a little bit. Okay, so we have interesting loading screen. Okay. Oh, I remember I used to do these like type of things where like it would like boot up from like the boot up screen, and then it like show this thingy. I did that for a lot of my concepts, but I kind of just stopped that because like it doesn't really look good, honestly. And obviously, these concepts were made in PowerPoint, not my latest one. My latest one was all animated in Figma. I might go back to PowerPoint because it's a little bit of ease of use, but I'll still design all the UI in like Figma, obviously, because I just feel like I'm more familiar with PowerPoint. But let's stop yapping, let's continue. So yeah, Windows 13. Okay, let's skip around. Activate Windows. Wait, I got pointing something out. I feel like in one of my videos, someone said that one of the keys that I used were apparently like a real Windows key. I'm not sure if that person was lying or not, but if he isn't, then wow, okay. Because I just asked like AI or whatever to just make me a fake key, so like maybe it could have been correct. I'm not sure. Let's watch. Windows 13 Pro Home Enterprise Education. Wait, what's okay? Never mind. Microsoft Software License Terms. This is not a real operating system. This is a concept made inside of PowerPoint. So they're not actual terms. Oh, really? I didn't know this was not a real concept. Again, I mean, I kind of just had to address that because some people think this is real for some reason. Don't know why. Don't ask. What is this? Oh, okay. I remember I used to have this kind of like. I mean, I still kind of have this, but it's like obviously much better now. So now we have just long installment processed. Let's name your PC. Oh, let's see the desktop now. Okay, we have the Windows 14 logo. That doesn't look like purple. It looks like gray. Honestly, I'm not even joking. Or maybe it's just like a pastel purple. I'm not sure. Battery. Okay. Okay, so we have the volume 89. Oh, I noticed that cut. I think the reason why there's a cut right there. Okay, good morning Windows 13 fan. Okay, whatever. The reason there was like a, wait, let me like slow it down. Like you can see right here, look. You see it's a cut. I feel like the reason that it cut there is because I feel like I messed up something as I was recording. Instead of re-recording everything, I just fixed it and then just cut out the parts that, you know, of me like changing it. So I think that's what happened there. Let's see the start menu. I mean, not, yeah. It's on store. I mean, not too bad of a start menu. I've seen worse, obviously. I'm talking to you, 7-Zeb. Your start menus are absolute trash. Don't be saying your start menus are good. Yeah, I'm joking, chillax. But your concepts, they're fine. But I feel like your concept is stuck in like 2023 made in PowerPoint or Adurite Designs era. Like obviously I'm not trying to diss you, but like, come on, man, you should maybe like help me teach you how to make proper concepts. Obviously, I'm not good at these. The only reason why they're semi-good is because the UI has improved a lot, and that's probably why you think it's good, and I think it's good. But let's just stop yapping. Come on. Okay. Winver. Oh, let's see the Winver. Let's see the Winver. Windows 13 Pro. Nice. Now let's check out another concept. This one isn't a concept. I don't know why I have. Oh, I made this public because I just wanted some extra views on this video, but it's whatever. Windows 11.2. Oh, I remember this one. Windows 11 2025. So basically, if you see here, 1 year or 2 years. So basically, Windows 21 was technically my last concept, and people were wondering where I was, and you know, like, I wasn't really communicating with the people. So when I came back, people were actually surprised that I actually made a concept, and people also noticed the difference in quality. Because this one, Windows 21, all the UI was made in PowerPoint. In Windows 11 2025, all the UI was made in Figma, but animated in PowerPoint. A lot of things that maybe some people don't understand, but it's just all about the concept making thing. So I think I'll react to Windows 11 2025. Let's see this. Let me also check the comments. This is what Windows 11 should have been. This is peak. Bro came back with the milk. Okay. Am I tripping or did he just upload? Okay, Europa Concepts. We get it. Chill with the glaze, man. Chill with the glaze. Good, bro. Keep it up. It feels like a website more than other system. Yeah, I get that, but it's not really my fault. It's PowerPoint that I'm using, and I'm not like the best animator. Obviously, you do have AR4789, and yes, he used to make PowerPoint concepts, and you're actually pretty good animated. But now he just uses After Effects, so he's kind of just cheating it in post effects. But you know, that's not really a concept at that point. That's just like an animation. I mean, the concepts are animations. Okay, whatever. Windows. Wait, he uploaded. Okay, 7-Zeb. I think I am dreaming. Okay, these two goofballs, bro. These two goofballs. It's glazing, bro. Glazing. Alright, but let's watch the video.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.
Okay.
Can't be afraid to leave this.
I'm not sure if the music is copyrighted, because I know I used to have. Let me check. Oh, never mind. I guess I'm fine. I don't think I'll get copyrighted because these are like non-copyright sounds, so I think it should be fine. Welcome to Windows 7. This looks good, but not like great for my for like how my concepts are. This isn't really great, but it's obviously a huge step up from the PowerPoint ones, like PowerPoint UI ones. This is still in PowerPoint, obviously, but like not the UI. But let's watch. The practice games. Ooh, the beat drop. Okay. Ooh, aura. This is aura, guys. Okay, I'm too old for this. Okay, let's move on. Enter your product key. Oh, I remember I used to put in post effects in my editing software, like click sounds. I don't do that nowadays, but I could do that again because I low-key liked it. But it's whatever. Oh, wait. I know what I did here. You smell. Let me move back a little bit. Wait, look here. So you see how it's like clipping through the UI? What I basically did was I copied the background and I repasted it with the same blur. So I was like mimicking like it would disappear into like nowhere, which and it doesn't look the best honestly. It just looks like it's just like I don't know. It doesn't really look the best, but hey, if it works, it works. Oh, agreements, okay. Education. No. Okay, not too bad of a select drive. Obviously, it could be better, but you know, it's whatever. Okay, so we have the the boring installing process. Okay, now here's one critique. You see how it says continue with limited setup? If you're wondering why this was a thing in this concept, let's just say I was too lazy. Yeah, I was too lazy to actually make a proper like setup after like proper out of box experience, and I kind of wanted to rush like the release of this concept because bro, I was aching to upload, bro, and I just wanted to upload, and that's why I just wanted to like push like a deadline really fast. I mean, I wish I didn't do that, but hey, it's whatever. 1.5K views, I'll take it. I'll take it. Just a moment, nice. Oh, okay, let me turn this down. Alright, so we have, you know, the taskbar, you know, the desktop. Okay. Okay, so we have the start menu. It doesn't really look the best, honestly, but it's not bad. PowerPoint Street. What's PowerPoint Street? Don't know, but it's whatever, I guess. Open Epic Games Launcher. Oh, I remember what I did. So I opened up Epic Games Launcher on my computer. I took a screenshot, and Epic Games doesn't. I don't think it has light mode. So I took a screenshot of how it looks and just made my own light mode version, like PowerPoint version. So we have VMware, PowerPoint concept, Fortnite, obviously, because you know most people who use Epic Games Launcher use it for Fortnite. But I restyled it into like a Adurite Designs like based launcher. Weird, but it's whatever. Okay, shut down. Alright, nice. Not too bad of a concept. Not too bad. Not too bad. Now, which one do I watch? Do I watch the most popular one or my best one in my opinion? Or do I want to watch like a very cursed one? I think I want to watch Windows Circle. Okay, now, don't ask me what I was doing back then. We will not talk about the Windows Circle incident. We will keep that discreet, but we'll watch it. And now if I see any of you people commenting in this video saying Windows Circle was the best concept, we will make sure you do not live, okay buddy? So don't be saying that. Let's watch. Windows Circle. Now, one thing I'll say about Windows Circle. Windows Circle was pretty much, let me show you. So Windows Circle was pretty much just Windows 16 right here. Oh yeah, wait no, it released before. Oh, so basically, I was working on Windows 16 and I felt like, let's get some quick views or whatever, and I'm too lazy to like finish it right now. So I just released some random concept with the same wallpaper, and then I released Windows Circle. And then obviously I have Windows 16 right here, which released after. But you know, I wish I didn't do that, but you know, Windows Circle is Windows Circle, guys. And let's watch. What is that logo, bro? Like, what was I doing back then, bro? What was I doing, bro? Crazy. Crazy times. Okay. I feel like this would be like low-key, like a good operating system for like a smartwatch. I know someone commented this in this video, I'm not sure who. But I could see that, but at the same time, smartphones, like, why would you want Windows on a smartphone? Yes, it could be good, but I feel like it would just be a little too much, like, for the smartwatch. Because I feel like Windows isn't known for being like a, like a friendly, like open source, like, operating system. And I don't think they'll make a spin-off just for a smartwatch. Because, you know, they want to maximize their profits with Copilot. Copilot, yes. Okay, let's stop with the rambling, whatever I'm doing. Let's watch the concept. Notifications. Please make sure you don't miss the latest news about Windows. Okay, we don't care. What am I looking at? Yo, like what am I looking at? What is that's forget anything I was saying about it being for a smartwatch. It's square. And a square that doesn't look good on a smartwatch. A rectangle based one. Yeah, forget what I said about that. Let's just ignore that. Aero transparency. Do I touch that or no? Yo. Light mode. Why is the text up here right? Okay, yo. This concept is horrendous, bro. Okay. Minimize? Ooh, not too bad of like a minimize. I feel like it's like one like where like it's like super easy to like zoom, but I feel like it can be annoying sometimes. Arrow, yo, can I like? I guess I didn't do that feature. Whatever. Camera. So why is a random computer taking front shot selfies on the? Or maybe it's like an SD card. I don't know, like pictures I have online. Because if the laptop took these pictures, bro, what am I doing? I don't know. But what do you think? I don't know. I didn't know what I was doing back then, bro. Some poor choices with the concepts. Hey, 3K views still. Somehow more than Windows 12X. Make that make sense. Why does this have more views than Windows 12X? Arguably, my best concept ever. But of course, some trashy ass concept. Windows Circle gets more views than it. Great. Interesting song title. Let's ignore that. Yo, Windows Circle! I'm #1 Windows Circle fan. Let's go! Yeah! Yeah. Take picture. No camera connected. Oh, so this isn't a laptop then. Whatever I was thinking about. Okay. Is there a Microsoft store? Yep, I knew it. I knew it! Microsoft Clip Chat, Roblox, Minecraft, Candy Crush. Yo, Candy Crush. We all are playing that. I wouldn't call that good, or I wouldn't call that bad. Let's just say that's something beyond bad. Something that's arguably very bad. Now, I don't want to react to one more concept. I try to make Windows in 10 minutes. Oh, macOS. We can react to macOS plus Windows. This is an interesting concept. I might make a macOS concept, but the thing is, I don't know much about macOS, and I've barely ever used this operating system in my life. I really just use Windows, because, you know, I wonder what my favorite concept is, guys. Take a very blind guess what my favorite operating system is. No, guys, it's Linux. No, it's definitely Windows. I mean, Linux is not bad. It's just the games I play, they need like an anti-cheat kernel level, and I don't think Linux has that, sadly. So, I kind of have to use Windows, and like compatibility. I know compatibility on Linux is getting good, but you know, I still prefer what do you call it? Windows, yeah. But let's react to Mac OS plus Windows. What is that logo? What is that? Okay. November 27, 10:50 p.m. or a.m. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so we have the icons. Why are the wait. Let's know something. Why are the icons here bigger than these icons? And 1000 gig. Why would you constantly want that on your, what do you call it on Mac OS? Is it taskbar? Is it, I don't know, maybe like a island? I don't know what they call it on Mac OS. I don't know much about this operating system. I know Europe Concept does, so maybe it can help me out, but you know, eh. Winver. Oh, I forgot. This is macOS plus Windows. So yes, some Windows features are here. So yeah, Winver exists. Even though it probably wouldn't be called Winver if there's a real thing. It'd probably be called like macOS, like utility about info. I don't know, bro. Winver doesn't really make sense, but let's see. Run in macOS Windows Edition. OS 15, 1TB SSD. Okay. What are these? Okay, so you have body of water, sand hill. Nice images. What is that wallpaper, bro? What is that power off button? Okay, I think that's enough of my concepts because a lot of them are good, but then a lot of them are trash or good. Like this thumbnail right here. You guys should watch this video. Yeah, but that was the video. If you guys enjoyed that on my second channel, make sure to subscribe. I might do more videos on here. Don't expect a lot of uploads, especially on my main channel. Second channel, I can just make low effort videos and just like post them out. But you know, it's whatever. Well, see you guys. Hopefully next video. Bye.